Yo guys, what's happening? You join me and Alex today. Anyways, the wide body kit is on. Now we're going to tell you a little bit about the steps of how we did it. So you bought them, obviously. How much was it?
I think they were roughly around £200.
Because they were like moulded to your car,
Yeah,
weren't
they were moulded to the Micra body.
So you did that, and then before I came over, you also sprayed them up.
Yeah, got them all paint prepared, sprayed them red, clear coat, all the good stuff.
All that good stuff. So then when I came over, obviously we had to mask out the bits on the arches.
Yeah.
That was the first bit. Then we had to do the holes now. Obviously we had a little bit of a problem with the little rubber bits that we had to put on the back of the arches.
Yeah, because they're called rubber weldments, and the ones that you can just generically buy off eBay, because apparently you can't buy them in any hardware store, at least that I know of. They were all too short to fit the wide arch to the actual body. It just wouldn't be long enough to secure it.
Yeah.
So I was searching the internet for, I don't know, like a couple of days straight to find like ones that were long enough to fit it. And obviously I came across them, so that's where we got them today.
Yeah. It took 3 weeks to get the actual ones to come. So he's been without the car for like 3 weeks.
Yeah, my car hasn't been doing much. It's been sat on the drive, gathering a bit of dirt.
How sad was that to see it on the drive?
It was sad, not really.
So then you've got them. Now, before they came, in the meantime, you were doing a little bit of work on it, weren't you?
Yes, I can't remember what we did though.
What we did when I first came over, so we cut the arches.
Oh yeah,
So you had to know exactly where you were doing that, so we had to measure that out with tape.
yeah.
Then obviously you had to get the grinder, we had to grind it off. You had to go through both. Did you go through both sides?
Yeah, first I cut the outer layer. And then, can't hear myself think.
Sorry. It's a very loud car, guys, bear with us.
Yeah, so I cut the outer layer first, just to get a general idea of like where the cut needed to be to clear the wheels, because it doesn't scrape anymore, which is the best thing.
Yeah, we had to go out and test that as well, didn't we?
I might hear a little bit now, but that's just the fiberglass. I'll get that bit in a minute. But yeah, so we cut the outer layer, then we did the inner layer, and then we cut it in sections to bend it up, so it'd be like a nice flush fitting. And then we fiberglassed both the sides for it to get watertight on the outside.
That took a couple of hours each, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was
on each side.
It just wouldn't stick.
Yeah, it wouldn't.
The brush was rock solid by the time we came to do it the second round.
Yeah, so if you ever want anything fiberglass by us, don't do nothing. To be honest, because I'm not doing that shit anymore. Because we did think about like starting up our own business, and then literally by the end of it we were like, nah, not worth it. Definitely not worth it.
Oh god, the brakes.
Brakes need doing at some point. Oh, that tuner sounding engine. Oh, you can't beat Japanese, can you? Jesus. Right, so then after we did that, we had to drill the holes. Now, at first we drilled the holes too small.
Yeah, well, my idea was to drill pilot holes first.
Yeah.
And then just get, so you know where they're going to be without fucking up and doing a giant hole,
And then, yeah, being screwed.
Yeah.
Then we didn't have the right drill bit.
No.
So we had to go to Bunk, which we can't say the actual name because they don't sponsor us. If they want to sponsor us, then that's fair enough. But
It's an orange
store, you know who it is. It rhymes with barbecue. So after that, we had to drill out all the holes with 8mm holes. Bloody hell, that cyclist almost got took out by a little mini in front of us. So we had to do 8mm holes to the rubber bung size. Then we had to drill out the holes on the actual fenders. Then afterwards we had to get the grinder and cut off the backs of the fronts because Alex didn't want them overhanging. Just didn't take long, did it?
No, it literally took a few seconds.
And then here we went to a certain other DIY store to get the rubbers. To get the rubbers for the outside on the actual fenders. That just like finished off the look.
Yeah, that was a bit of an awkward one because you don't really know what you're looking for. At least I didn't.
We didn't exactly know what kind of rubber trim to go for because there isn't a specific fender trim.
Yeah,
just had to ask for roofing trim.
It was window rubber sealant.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So you literally, then you had to cut it in through the middle to get it to fit onto the actual top of the fender.
Yeah.
And then after all that was done on all 4 fenders, then we could get to fitting.
Yeah.
Just while the clear coat was drying on the others, it's just run.
Yeah, it was just like an extra layer just to get that better shine for it.
So it matching. Obviously this colour, what was the colour that you had to match?
Yeah.
Just right in there. What was it? YJ4 or something?
AJ4 flame red.
And then it all matched after that. And then yeah, the rest is basically history, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now it's on. And we'll show you a little bit of what it looks like completed. Guys, thanks for watching. It was an exciting build to put on, especially I think I was like more excited than you.
I think you were.
Like looking at it and stuff. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for Alex for donating the car for the video again. It's always featured on the videos. We'll see you in the next one. Please like, comment and subscribe. See you next time.